Hi there! Today, I'll show you how Adlib Transform uses AI to extract and translate information from documents, automatically and at scale. It's fast, it's accurate, and it works right out of the box. Let's get started. We're working with a messy document, skewed pages, noisy scan, and it's written in English. Our goal today is to clean up the doc, extract all text, and translate it into French using AI. Our first step is to set up the ingestion source. For this workflow, we're using the folder connector to ingest the file. But Adlib supports other sources too. SharePoint, email, scanners, Exchange, legacy systems, whatever works for you. Step 2 is to configure the extraction settings. In the extraction section, you can choose from pre-built prompt templates, edit an existing one, or create your own. Adlib supports a range of AI-powered prompt templates like extracting attributes, summaries, or sentiment. Today, we'll use the OCR to translate template to convert English to French. Next, let's define the output. Here, we define what the output should include. For translations, this could be a structured JSON file, a cleaned-up copy of the original document, or both. You can also extract specific fields like invoice numbers, policy IDs, or contact names, depending on your use case. Then, we configure the AI engine. Adlib lets you bring your own LLM, OpenAI, Gemini, Claude, or even a private on-prem model. With Portkey, you can get really granular and orchestrate many more LLMs for various document types and extraction tasks. For this job, we'll use Azure OpenAI. Next, let's add OCR cleanup step. We'll enable auto-rotation and despeckling to clean and straighten the document before AI gets involved. This ensures the extracted text is as clean and readable as possible to eliminate AI hallucinations. Final step is to configure the extraction step. We're using the OCR to translation prompt template, translation from English to French for output, and Azure OpenAI for LLM. We're all set. Now we drop the file into the watch folder. The system picks it up instantly and begins processing. Behind the scenes, Adlib cleans and deskews the pages, applies multi-layer OCR, and translates the text using your selected AI model, all without human intervention. Let's see what we got. Adlib generated 3 outputs: the original document, a clean deskewed version, and a JSON file with the French translation, metadata, and session info. All steps are logged for traceability. Total processing time, under 30 seconds. And just like that, your document is clean, translated, and AI-ready. It is now in the format that can be automatically routed for further action, either by human or agentic workers. No errors, no rework, just fast, accurate results at scale. Thanks for watching.